Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options here, and welcome back to my channel. And markets again taking resistance from higher levels. And as I said, we will go a little light today, even after, even if we see buying over here. And that was the reason. If you see markets went above previous day's high, but if you see the buying was not that good, and markets made a kind of a double top in 5-minute chart. If you see over here, yes, and then markets went ahead and saw a sell off, right? But if you see again, markets then being very choppy, right? And even I tried to take a short position over here in this candle. Just give me a second. I'll go ahead and zoom it out so that you guys can see it properly. Yeah, if you see, I also took a short position over here, and my stop loss was hit, just a 25-point stop loss for me. Not a big deal at all. The market is not in such a great position over here. If you see, gauging a proper direction in the market, in this type of market, is not really going good for me as of now. But it's no problem, because if you see in July, right, this was the month of July. From over here, right, let's say from down over here, if you see, markets went up properly, there was a proper direction, and then markets came down properly, right? So there was a direction in the markets, and markets were moving, and that's why July was very good for me, right? I made around 30%. And again, there will be bad months and there will be good months. If you see now, August, if you see, pretty much market hasn't really moved anywhere, right? It is just in the range of 45,000 to 44,000, in this 1,000 point range. And then it becomes a little bit you know hard for directional, like directional people like me, who keep a directional bias and trade, for us to take a trade. And so no problem, sometimes the next month I am expecting that markets could be very good, or in the second half of September we could see a proper trend. But anyways, what can the market do tomorrow, right? Very simple. First of all, Nifty, if you see, has closed at a very good place over here, right? Either Nifty will go ahead and break out from here and go up till 19,700 very fast, or we will see tomorrow Nifty making a trap over here in this range of 19,620 to 19,580, and then starting to come down. Why do I say so? Is there are a few reasons. If you see, Nifty has now taken support from this trend line after breaking out, right? If you see, this trend line was coming over here, Nifty has broken out, is taking support. So now, if the market has to move up, market will not take any time, and the market will just straight up at least go up till 19,700 to 740, where there is this gap, where the markets could maybe take a little bit of resistance. But if we see buying from here, that buying will be very, very fast, right? And by very fast, I mean, if you see this type of buying, there will be this type of buying, or at least this type of straight buying in the market. There will not be any sort of a major pullback in the market when this type of buying happens. It won't be a buying like this where you see a lot of red candles, right? You will see a straight up proper buying till at least 19,700, or even you can say 19,680, where there is this gap, right? And that will be our confirmation for tomorrow, that yes, the market has now changed. At least Nifty has now become bullish over here, and we will also need to change our bias, right? At least I was holding on to a bearish bias as of now for the market, right? Or at least I wasn't thinking that the market will go on for a very good buying, right? But now there could be a chance that tomorrow we go ahead and change our bias. But for that, 19,620 will be a very important level. Watch out for 19,620, especially this gap over here, right? This gap from previous days. Watch out this level, right? If market goes up and you see good selling coming in from that level, right? If it is a buying, if market has to go for buying, market will not show you a good selling. Market will continue to move up and break all those levels very fast, right? Even over here, if you see markets, there was a good resistance at 19,360 over it, but see how fast, how properly market broke, right? Even if you go into the 15-minute chart and watch over here, just see the strength in the market, right? As soon as there was selling, there was buying coming in like the next few candles, right? So that is what we need to see from here. Market, if the market has to go up from here, market will go up from here very fast. So, and as fast as it can go, the better, right? because if the market waits over here, then the sellers will again take over the market and we'll see again a sell off in the market. So tomorrow, if you open I'm sorry, if you open flat and start moving above 19,585, right? You guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over here. Your target will straight up be 19,700. Why do I say so? Is because if the market moves up from here, we will see a very good short covering, you can say, or even a very good buying coming in till 19,700 or at least 19,680 very easily. So tomorrow, if you open flat and start crossing 19,590, you can also wait for a confirmation of 5 minutes, right? Once the 5-minute candle closes above 19,585, you can go ahead and take a bullish trade till 19,680, right? But if you see selling coming in from 19,620 levels, right? If you anyhow see selling coming in from 19,640 to 620 levels, or even after breaking out of today's high, if you see selling coming in from this zone, even from 19,600, be, be very alert, because this is a very good liquidity zone. A lot of buyers will come into, will come and start buying above this level, right? So if you see any sort of negative price action being built in 5-minute chart after market breaks out above this high, we will take a short position from here. You can go ahead and easily take a short position, because if market traps buyers over here, your first target is easily 19,500, right? That will be an easy target, right? And after that, market can go down a lot from here. Market can go down a lot because market is just a sec. Yeah, because market is has given a breakout failure, and whenever there is a breakout failure, market goes down a lot, right? So we could easily see even 19,200 coming in maybe not tomorrow, maybe in a day or two. But yes, if the market gives a breakout failure from here, then chances are we will see a very good sell off in the market, at least till 19,250 very easily, right? So that is for nifty. That is if we open flat. If you open with any sort of a gap up near 19,600, or just a sec, I'll go ahead and zoom in. Yeah, if you open with any sort of a gap up, say near 19,620, 600, 640, then we'll wait for the markets to come back down till 19,580. But we will then wait for the market to create bullish price action over here, right? We'll wait for the market to come back till 19,580 levels. Then we'll wait for the market to create bullish price action near 19,580. If that happens, that is only when we'll again go ahead and take a bullish trade in Nifty till 19,680 and 720 higher levels of, those higher levels, right? If we open the gap down anywhere below 19,530, 530 to 540, right? Let's take 530, right? If you open at any sort of a gap down at 19,530 or below it, then this breakout failure, then this breakout becomes a breakout failure, right? And we'll wait for the first 5-minute candle. You can wait for the first 5-minute candle, or you can wait for the market to give a negative price action in 5-minute chart, and then you can go ahead and take a short position from here. Your first target will easily be 19,440. First of all, that can be an easy intraday target, right? And then you can also aim for, positionally, you can aim for even 19,250 to 240 very easily on the downside, right? So that is for Nifty. Talking about Bank Nifty, if you see, Bank Nifty was again, didn't really move a lot. There was sell of Bank Nifty, was definitely weaker even today, right? And then Bank Nifty kind of recovered a little bit. So tomorrow, this same range, this same level of 44,660 to 650 will be very important. Watch out for price action when Bank Nifty breaks out above this level. If there is good buying, then we can easily see a good momentum till 44,820 to 800 on the upside, right? And so you can go ahead and take a buying position above 44,650, right? Once after that, you can easily aim for 44,820 on the upside, right? Because market has a very clear range on the upside, so market can easily move till 44,820 to 800 if that happens, right? Now that is if you open with a gap up and consolidate over here for some time and then break out. Because say if you open with a gap up somewhere near 44,650 and break out instantly, then chances are this will be a breakout failure, right? If we open with a gap up and break the, break these levels instantly, look out for price action, negative price action over here. Because we are breaking out instantly and without waiting, chances are this could be a failure breakout. This could become a breakout failure and we could see a sell off in the market again very easily till even 44,400. So tomorrow, say if you open with a gap up somewhere near 44,650, even 41,600 for that matter, it is important we stay in this range for some time and then break out. Because if we break out instantly from here, then chances are this will be a breakout failure and we'll see a very good sell off. And that is where you can also go ahead and take a short position, and I will also go aggressively short. But if we see negative price action, keep that in mind. After breakout, there are also chances that we could see short covering. So that's why if once we start seeing negative price action, or we do not see very good buying coming in, right, then we will go ahead and take a short position. Because if short covering has to happen, market will go up in the first few candles itself. Market will not wait for anyone, right? If I could show you guys an example over here, market opened with a gap up and continued to move up. So that is how short covering will happen, and market will not wait for a long time before we see short covering happening, right? Now that is if you open the gap up. If you open flat, then we'll do nothing until 44,650 is broken. Once 44,650 is broken, then we can go ahead and take a short, then we can go long from here till 44,800. That will be our target, and then we'll see how the price action is being formed over here in the 15-minute chart. If market is taking heavy resistance from this trend line, then you can again go short from here till at least 44,000, 44,540 to 550, right? Today's closing, right? And then maybe market might consolidate over here for a day or two and then start moving up, right? On the downside, if we open with any sort of a gap down below 44,400, that means again market could very well go bearish from here, and you could easily see Bank Nifty first of all reaching 44,200. That will be an easy target, and then even eventually 44,000 also. So if you open the gap down below 44,400, we'll wait for the first 5-minute candle, and once the low of the first 5-minute candle is broken, then we'll go short from here till 44,000 on the downside. Max to max, keep an 80-point stop loss. That's it over here. Because if selling has to happen, we will see a very good sell off very fast in the market, and we will not really need a very big stop loss over here, right? That is if you open the gap down. Anywhere above 44,400, if you open, we'll do nothing over here. And even if we try to break below 44,400, there is a good support of 44,330. So we'll do nothing, because this support is also a very crucial support now. If we break this support, then chances are market will again go down till 43,600, maybe 44,000 easily. But that is something that we'll discuss in tomorrow or day after tomorrow's video, if that ever happens, right? So yeah guys, that was it for today. And tomorrow, keep your eyes open and watch out for price action at higher levels, because market is at a make or break level. Either market will see a sell off from here from higher levels after trapping the buyers, or the market will start moving up from here and get bullish, right? So I've told you guys all the levels and stuff, and you guys can again watch the video if you forgot or something. But yeah, that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.